Okay guys, so I just pumped with the Fampi cups with my Spectra, and it did work. Obviously you can see I pumped a little and then I ended up feeding baby. So let's see how these pull. They stand on their own, by the way, also, so that's nice. The accurate ounce measurement is nice. It's a weird way to take it out. You have to like take all of it apart, but it's still okay. I got almost 4 ounces on top of feeding baby quick, and then she ended up falling asleep. I'm not going to lose this duck bill. I'm so mad that I lost. Somehow I lost the other duck bills I have from my other pump, from my Lucina pump, on the counter. How does one lose duck bills that you set on the counter with your other parts? I rewatched my video, and I seen that I put the duck bill on the counter, and it's gone. Just gone. Like, what in the actual heck? How does that happen? Anyways, so yeah, about 3.5 ounces, closer to 4, and I'm going to put this milk away. But I like them. The suction normally with your Spectra is stronger than they are with these cups for some reason, but overall pretty good. I do have to insert the right flange. I just did a quick pump with the flange they gave, which is 20mm flange, so it's not bad. I probably could output more with the correct flange. I was just really needed to pump quick before she woke and wanted to eat quick. So yeah, I like it. I like the core. I like that it can stand on its own. It does hold, I forget if I mentioned, but it does hold up to 6. It says, I'm assuming you can probably do 7, maybe even 8. Technically, we'll see. They are a smaller cup than my other cups, but overall they seem really good. I do have a little milk that's still stuck in there, but yeah, it worked decent. And I'm not quite sure what other pumps they work with. I'm assuming you can use these with your baby Buddha and other wall pumps depending on your tubing system. So I like these. Thank you, Fampi. Fampi has this cup and then a pump that also comes with your battery, and then also a hands-free one, I believe. So I might be getting something else from them, and I'll be doing a video for you guys on that as well. But I hope your morning is going good. I'm on to my second cup of coffee, so I'll see you in the next one.
My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight. Like with a draw only draws the unlucky, and so I became the butt of the joke. I wounded the good and I trusted the wicked.
Green girl, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama, I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club. Climb up and dazzle on the floor. Love is.
So I opened the already previously opened and damaged box, and as you can see, it seems like it's already been used. There's this, I don't know. And there's this flange here. This is all open, and kind of like scared to go through it. See if it was like used in this like open product. These are kind of massive. Yeah.
I love them. The silicone was really comfortable, the flange, and they're not as bulky as some of my other cups. Like, they're pretty slim for what they are. They still hold a good amount. I got 4.5 ounces on the first pour for my left side, and then on my right side I got 3.5, so a total of 8 for this pump.
I just finished a afternoon pump with my Baby Buddha and my Fampy Rosy cups, and look at them. I really like these. I love oval shaped collection cups so much, and the color, and they're so comfortable too.